would like to share with you a simple trading method that anyone can learn to do successfully with proper money management and high rewards. First, select the chart that you would like to use. Next, go to the indicator, select moving average, 200, EMA, make it a dark or thick line, hit enter. That's primarily it. When price is below the 200 moving average, which is this black line, then we're looking for sells. When price is above the 200, we're looking for longs, buys. Currently, the euro dollar, this is a euro dollar time frame. Euro dollar pair, the time frame is a daily time frame. And what I look for here is I'm just going to place a couple horizontal lines, and they're going to represent strong levels of support or resistance. And just look at bars with wicks. So a bar with a long wick. Anything with a long wick, just put a level on it or a horizontal line without creating too much chaos or traffic or noise or clutter on your screen. When price gets to these levels, just consider taking a short at any of these levels, as long as price is below the 200 EMA. So this is something you could set up at night. This is something you could set up during the day. You could set it up on your phone, on your iPad, on your computer, whatever is easy for you. Super simple. And we'll maybe place one more. And that's pretty much it. When price comes to these levels, you can either set an alert, or you could automatically start putting your trade size in. So say for instance this is a $10,000 demo account. What we're going to do is we're just going to place a couple trades here. The current price is about 25 pips away. So what I would do is 25, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's about 130 pips all the way back up to the 200. So I would break this down. I would do a 0.1. So 0.1. For someone with a small account, 10,000 might not be comfortable for you. So just use a 0.01. It's demo trading. You're just learning consistency and so on. So on every level, just go ahead and put a trade. And that's pretty much it. This is a great setup, a great method that I like to use when I'm trading. You could ultimately use a stop loss. Anything above this red line here would be your stop loss. So make this a little thicker. So worst case scenario, $20 to 200 times 10 cents is $20. 1, 2, 3, 4. You lose about 80 bucks. Not that much money. Our end goal that I'm looking for a target is anywhere between 109 and 108.50. I can show you this on another example with a different currency pair. Aussie yen, great example. Say for instance, it's had this nice run up for the last couple of months. 1, 2, 3, about 3.5 months. Just go back, zoom out a little bit, and look at previous levels. Nice double bottom. Don't Don't make it too difficult. If you don't find any levels, don't try to create them. That's pretty much it. Price is still below the 200 EMA, still looking short. Price bounced off this level, up this level. You could say your max stop loss in this ballpark. So you might reduce the lot, so go ahead and put one here, sell limit. Sell limit. And just trade back to the previous levels that price has already been at, right? It's pretty easy. Kiwi. New Zealand dollar. Still below the 200 EMA. This whole section here is consolidating for a couple months now. So let's just look at these levels. Support and resistance from the past. Something like that, without overthinking or overanalyzing. You can measure how far this is. 300, 300, 250. So if I did a 0.1 lot, 0.01, that's equivalent to $25 or 10 cents per pip. You can easily calculate that with your calculator. Just measure 193 times 0.1 is $19 from here to here. If that's your stop loss, this position will lose 19, this will lose 19, 25, 16. So about 50 bucks. Not the end of the world. And we're ultimately looking for maybe 125, 62.40 or less. Gold. Not a big fan. Pound yen. Looks like it has a long way to. This is just looking for something that's up above the 200 EMA. Maybe like the euro odd, right? So you could say, hypothetically, let me change this back to black. Pretty much it. Trade it back to a previous level of support or resistance. It's been here multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's been here multiple times. Probably see the euro odd creep up to another 125 pip plus, and we'll probably see the Aussie dollar continue to tank just a little bit more. So see the Aussie dollar go down at least another 100. Oh. Euro odd. This is the way that I like to trade. Super simple. Anyone can do it. You don't have to be a professional. Trade when you feel like it, but always put a stop loss. So, to give you an example how this would work with a stop loss, I would probably do buy. And then I would take this as a stop loss, 156.75. Copy this. There you go. And for my profit target, I typically leave my profit target run. Why minimize or limit yourself on winning trades? feel like moving your stop loss, you can bring it down, just modify. Or you could just put it back to 156.75, 1.5675, modify. That's it. Good to go.